Welcome to my channel, Curious Brain. One question is, A. Which Greek king of Bactria invaded India about 190 BC? A. Demetrius. B. Alexander. C. Seleucus Nicator. D. Menander. Answer A. Demetrius. Two questions is, though, the inscriptions of Ashoka and the Brahmi script were deciphered by A. Alexander Cunningham. B. James Princepe. C. Max Muller. D. Mortimer Wheeler. Answer B. James Princepe. 13. The grandson of Ashoka, who accepted Jainism was A. Samprati. B. Kunala. C. Dasharatha. D. Salisuka. Answer A. Samprati. 4. Which Greek ruler sent Dionysius as an ambassador in the court of Patliputra? A. Seleucus Nicator. B. Antiochus I. C. Ptolemy Philadelphos. D. Antigonus. Answer C. Ptolemy Philadelphos. 5. At which among the following sites first evidence of cultivation of cotton has been found? A. Piklihal. B. Hathonara. C. Mergad. D. Ghaligai. Answer C. Mergad. 6. The ruler of Kushan dynasty, Kanishka, was the follower of A. Jainism. B. Hinduism. C. Hinduism. D. Mahayana. Answer D. Mahayana. 7. Which among the following sites has given the earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent? A. Brahmagiri. B. Chirand. C. Mergad. D. Burzahom. Answer C. Mergad. 8. Who has written Kalpasutra? A. Haribhadra. B. Bhadrabahu. C. Sudharma Swami. D. Nemichandra. Answer B. Bhadrabahu. 9. Which among the following site has yielded the cultural remains from Neolithic to Harappan era? A. Dholaviara. B. Mohenjo-daro. C. Harappa. D. Mergad. Answer D. Mergad. Thus, which among the following Veda has been described as Braham Veda? A. Rigveda. B. Samaveda. C. Yajurveda. D. Atharva Veda. Answer D. Atharava Veda. 11. Which among the following emperors introduced the two laws of Vyavahar Samata and Danda Samata? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Asoka. C. Chandragupta Vikramaditya. D. Samudragupta. Answer B. Asoka. 12. Which among the ancient Indian play has referred to the defeat of Yavanas on the bank of river Sindhu in the hands of Vasumitra? A. Raghuvansa. B. Malvikagna Mitram. C. Vikramorvashiyam. D. Disakumacharita. Answer B. Malvikagna Mitram. 13. Who among the following was the 23rd Jan Tirthankara? A. Neminatha. B. Mahavira. C. Parshvanath. D. Malinath. Answer C. Parshvanath. 14. Who was the first Tirthankara in Jainism? A. Rishabhnath. B. Parsavanath. C. Mahavira. D. Munisuvrata. Answer A. Rishabhnath. 15. Which of the following are called forest books? A. Brahmanas. B. Aranyakas. C. Upanishads. D. Vedanta. Answer B. Aranyakas. 16. What was the name of Siddhartha's charioteer? A. Channa. B. Kanthaka. C. Kondanna. D. Vappa. Answer A. Channa. 17. Which Harappan work is known for most beautiful brickwork of the Harappans? A. Temple-like structure. B. Fire altars. C. Great bath. D. Dockyard. Answer C. Great bath. 18. Which of the following Indus site shows the evidence of medical beliefs of the Indus people? A. Lothal. B. Dholaviara. C. Kalaibangan. D. Harappa. Answer A. Lothal. 19. Which of the following ages in Indian history is referred to as the Golden Age? A. Ancient. B. Maurya. C. Gupta. D. Mughal. Answer C. Gupta. 20. Which of the following prehistoric site is an example of Neolithic age? A. Didwana. B. Rivat. C. Langnaj. D. Sanganakallu. Answer D. Sanganakallu.